Hello and welcome to Cataylze Music Academy. My name is Zaak Kerstetter, and today I have another Ableton quick tip for you. This time I want to be talking about how you can combine multiple ideas from different projects into one project. This is a situation a lot of people run into. So for example, I have a bass line here in this track that's just not working for me, but a couple days ago I wrote a different bass line in a different song that I never finished, but I want to recycle it and then use it in this song. The way you can do this is you can find that project within your browser. So here's the project I want to grab from. And when I open up the project folder, there's going to be a .als file. And if you click on this disclosure triangle on the ALS file, it will actually list for you every single track within that project. This is why it's really important to rename your tracks and make sure everything's really organized. So if I want to grab a bass line from that other song, I can say this is the one I want. I can just click and drag this, and it takes a second to load. But once it does, it's going to include all of the clips on that track, as well as all of the effects, as well as the instruments, as well as any automation. So everything is all right here, including clips on both the session view and the arrangement view. So everything about that track just got imported into this track, which is really, really handy. On top of that, if I wanted to grab just an individual clip, I say I don't want all these clips, I just want one clip, whether it's audio or MIDI, I can click on this triangle here, and that will show me all of the clips on that one track. So I can click and drag and move this guy over here. And again, it takes a second to load and then drop it in. Boom, there it is. I could also, if I wanted to, grab multiple tracks simultaneously. If I just hold down Shift and selected multiple tracks, you can just click and drag them in there. On top of that, if you wanted to grab the entire project, you just want to put two projects together, you can actually drag this whole .als file into your project and it will create separate tracks for every single one of those tracks, as well as all the clips and everything you could possibly want all in one place. That's basically it. It's really easy to do. What I used to do a long time ago is I would close this project, open up the project I wanted to grab from, select the tracks, hit Command-C to copy, close that project, reopen the project I wanted to copy into, and then paste. This is way easier. A lot of people just don't realize you can just click and drag any kind of content you want from one track into another without having to open and close things and figure it out. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed watching that. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to have new videos coming out every Monday and Thursday. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again soon.